Okay, Caroline, you can have one small bite at a time. See? Like this. Gentle. Okay. Or you can eat the rest of that. Tingle one, two. I'm the one who made this video. I made a lot of videos. Also, other people in this other videos, and Karen's begging. So this, she's begging for my tail wedges from the Signature Cafe in Albertsons. I love them. I'm gonna give her a tail wedge. They just taste amazing, and this is what they're shaped like. Okay, here. You eat all of it. Okay, that's enough for you.
Creme de la creme.
It's not easy. It's time consuming because it's not like I can just lock down all the posts and cross ties. I actually first have to map it out.
And what's enough? And we have a Monopoly game, but we haven't fully figured out what the rules are. When I point at her, Joanne thinks that my fingers just watch. But I'll prevent her from this is what it's gonna be like. She'll just get her baggy ears. A, B, C, D.
Yeah, I wonder.
This tail wedgie is too small for me. So, see, you can have a small bite. Just bite the top like. See that, Cat? Come on. You like staring. So you're gonna bark at me, so I'll give you that thing. Taking this particles of that. This is our female dog, Caroline. If you haven't realized, this can go like that. Okay. This one is way too huge for me. I'll give Caroline a tiny piece of it. It feels quite soft on soft part. Huh? Yeah, eat a soft part and you have your arm parts. I'm sharing my food with my dog, or our dog. If you don't blame me, if it's Signature Cafe, you see this. It's Signature Cafe there. And Caroline's soon gonna get snapped. Just reminds me that she is far away.
Rich lather cleanses and hydrates, leaving a fresh scent and clean, soft skin.
You, you want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? Give me your baggy ears. Oh my gosh, look at that shit. Oh, jeez. Don't bark. What? Whoa, you got it. Oh, she just got it into her mouth.
Best pistachios ever. Love the dried peaches. White chocolate toffee cashews are awesome.
The holy grail of honey sesame sticks. The quality has made me a customer for life. With so much to love and free shipping with your first order, check out nuts.com.
We are talking one big job. I call it the little huge house. 6 months, lots of work, lots of people, probably in the area of 100 different.
Maybe we should do one.
It's hot. I'm tired, but I'm happy. I think that's them right there.
You got me.
I got you.
Okay, let's do along with the king scene.
Okay.
You hold the phone. I'm Mufasa, but you're Scar. But you hold the phone.
I gotta put my feet warm, so I'm gonna put. Ow!
End it.
End it? I didn't try to end it. Did I?
Oh, you did not.
This is a selfie thing, though.
It's actually a video.
Okay, it's stop. Okay, no, it's not. Go ahead.
Scar. Greta, help me. Oh.
Long live the king. Dang it, I always move the camera when I help you go down. Let's do it one more time. Put it right here. Or no, put your hands up here. Yeah.
Scar. Greta, help me. Oh.
Long live the king. Well, let's see how that